Hello, factory HR and EHS managers. Welcome to this EHS Ready Reckoner post-lockdown. This is meant to prepare you for SOP audits, which have now become as important as regular EHS audits. So, let's get started. EHS, as we all know, refers to environment, health and safety. It refers to the laws and the set of workplace practices to protect the health and safety of employees, workers, the public at large, as well as the all-important environment. Are you aware that the FSSAI has recently introduced COVID-19 Best Practices Guidelines for food handlers? These instructions are over and above the existing regulations, also known as Good Hygiene Practices and Good Manufacturing Practices. EHS forms the heart of any factory compliance. Factories can be ordered to be shut down, occupiers may be prosecuted and sent to jail if EHS violations happen. The recent spate of factory accidents post-lockdown draws our attention to this vital topic once again. Allow us then to walk you through these basic SOP checks, including COVID-specific guidelines from the FSSAI, the central and state labour departments. Post-lockdown have the following been checked: fully equipped first aid boxes, fully trained first aiders inside the factory, updated health register duly signed by the certified surgeon, planning the medical examination of workers and food handlers, conducting tests on the state of fire equipment, both active and passive. Is your manpower and electricity usage as per the details mentioned in your valid factory license? Did you cross the figure on any single day? Do you have a valid stability certificate for your factory buildings? Do you have the consent to establish and operate from the state pollution control boards? Do you have lightning arresters covering the entire factory? Do you have periodic drinking water test reports? Do you go in for periodic tests of pressure vessels, hoists, lifts, cranes and other lifting tackles? Do you have earth pit test reports? Do you go in for air and noise test reports? Are your machines guarded and protected? Do you have proper work permits for hot welding work, high-tech work, electrical work, confined space work, and so on? Do you have open pits and drains? In case of boilers, do you have certified boiler attendants? What about the legal metrology certificate? By the way, how about valid FSSAI licenses for food handlers and canteen? Have you added COVID-19 specific EHS guidelines to your SOPs? Has your EHS committee reviewed the updated SOPs? Do you perform mock drills? Do you have strong IT systems to back up all the data? Is your contractor compliance up to the mark? At Sequel, we have a robust cloud audit system that caters to the compliance needs of Fortune 500 and Mahanavratna PSUs in India. Our stringent EHS audit system has been hugely appreciated by some of the world's best companies. Thanks for watching. If this was of interest to you, do contact Sequel today for a live demo. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel in order to get updated notifications. Till then, stay safe, stay compliant.
Make your company's compliance system agile enough to beat any pandemic or criticality. Sequel has you covered with our cloud compliance tool, Cloud Audit for company and vendor, and a robust central audit team. 100% labor compliance is no longer a dream. If you have the will, we have the way. Call Sequel now for a demo on how we can take your labor and employment compliance to new heights. Thanks for watching.